Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another hair dye video. So as every hair dye video, I have absolutely no idea what I'm supposed to do. So I again asked my cousin Anke because she is a absolute pro at dyeing hair. I think back in the day, she literally tried out like every single color you can find in the rainbow. So yeah, she knows what to do. So for today's video, as you can tell by the title, it's going to be blue, if this works out. I want it to be blue, let's just put it that way. I was thinking about it for a long time, but it's like blue is very out there, so I wasn't sure about it because I don't want to be that weird girl with the washed off blue ugly hair, you know? I actually bumped into this video on Instagram of Stella Cini, I don't know. So she dyed her hair blue, dark grey. So, but what she did was use the color that I bought, and then she dyed it. It was completely blue, and then she put blonde hair, like blonde hair color over it. Yeah, I don't know. It seemed like a lot of dyeing. And as I know myself, I like to just try out stuff that I don't know is gonna work out. So I asked my cousin for some advice. I have my usual grey hair dye, what I have right now, and I actually wanted to mix that with some sort of like blue color. We have this one, which is the Schwarzkopf Igora Royal Pearlescence in the shade P623. So basically what that color is like this. So it looks really green, but then the girl I just told you about dyed her complete hair with this one and it turned out mega blue. So I have no idea but she already had blue hair, so I don't know if it's because of that or if this is really gonna turn out blue. I have absolutely no shit idea. I'm just gonna see what happens, you know. It's Halloween today, so if it fucks up, at least it's Halloween. Okay, that's enough with that all for today. Okay, let's get started. So normally for my hair, I use 2 tubes of 60 milliliters. So my cousin said, speaking, because I don't want the blue to overtake everything, I'm gonna mix the gray with the blue, green, whatever the fuck it is. And so I'm gonna take 1/3 out of the blue green shit, and the rest is gonna be gray. What can go wrong? Okay. So that would be 40 milliliters, what a shit word, of this one, and then 80 for the others, because that is 120. Yeah, okay, quick maths. Let's do this. Okay, so it's on the hair now for 45 minutes. I've already done a little check and the color looks wicked, so I'm excited. I just hope my roots are not too, but I think I've done it well, especially here, but the rest is just fine. Look at these bruises, they're unreal. Okay, so I put it on for 45 minutes. So I'm gonna wash it off and pray for me. Well, hello. Oh my god, I can't believe how blue it is. My mom was gonna kill me. She didn't know I was about to do this, but I love it. I have barely any makeup anymore on my face, so I look a bit disgusting, but you know, it's the hair. Hey, blue hair it is. Does it match my eyes? Well, I bet if I go downstairs my dad won't even notice, but whatever. Anyway, thanks for watching another hair dye video. Crazy colors, love it. So that was it for today's video. Yeah. Okay, I'm just processing this, you know. Thank you for watching my video again. Hope you liked it. If you got any questions, don't hesitate to ask them. Yeah, for that being said, I like this. I hope it doesn't wash off quickly, but I guess we'll find out soon enough. And yeah, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!